Okay, the attention of everybody, please. First of all, we want to give you the welcome to Sumaq Machu Picchu Hotel. I really hope you enjoyed this demonstration and also the degustation. Here is the sous chef, Jose Lopez. He's going to explain everything about the ceviche, and after that we're going to make a degustation of some dishes that we have on the menu. So please, enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Welcome to Sumaq Hotel. My name is Jose. I show you now the recipe to the ceviche. You call about ceviche. Ceviche is a cold appetizer. Ceviche is the most famous plate in the Peruvian cuisine. No, is the main case is fish. No, this fish is river fish. The name in Spanish is trucha. This is a rainbow trout. No, trout.
Yeah.
Trout is a special trout for the Cusco River. No. Okay, now we need I cut in cubes. Ready? This is the fillet, one piece. Okay. I put salt.
Some salt.
Salt. Some white pepper or black pepper, it depends. No?
Depending on your taste, black or white pepper.
That's okay. You start to mix.
You mix some.
Garlic,
Some garlic,
ginger,
ginger.
mix. Cilantro or coriander.
Coriander.
This is a Peruvian red chili.
It's a Peruvian type of chili that we have just, in the region.
¿Ya? Le vamos a contar que para el proceso necesitamos abrirlo, limpiarlo, lo vamos a hervir 2 veces y lo vamos luego a mezclar.
Okay, to make the ceviche, this chili, you have to prepare this. First, needs, a process. So you have to clear completely, you have to bring out, the seeds,
Okay.
and you have to
Yeah.
boil twice, this one,
2 times.
para sacar el picante.
Yeah.
And then to not keep very hot. If not, you're going to make very spicy, the ceviche, and can be difficult to eat.
Okay. Sí. This is the chili.
Okay, that's the una salsa, no?
Sí, como
Okay,
una
they
pasta.
made like a sauce, the chili.
Now, fresh lime juice.
Lemon juice. Some people sometimes in different places call lime, which is a wrong word. So lime is different, lemon is different.
This is
The
lime.
thing is,
Yes.
just sometimes, farmers just were confusing and they say lime, lemon, but lemon is a different, lime is different thing. And
This is-
especially our lemon from the region and from Peru, brings this flavor for our ceviche. That's why if you're going to taste ceviche in Chile or Argentina or in Spain somewhere, it's not going to taste like our ceviche from Peru, because still our lemon from Peru is completely different.
Okay. It's very important. Is fresh lemon.
Fresh
lime.
lemon.
No? Fresh lime. Never use the bottle. No, you have a different taste. No.
Don't buy, sometimes you can find, in shops or markets, the juice, but you don't know from what is coming the juice. So it's much better to, to buy the fresh one, the real fruit.
Okay. Now, fish stock. Caldo de pescado. Fish stock.
It's a stew, cualquier, lo hierven todo el pescado o cómo?
Use the bones. No.
Okay, usually they use, the bones of fish, they make like a stew, and with this they mix. In some places, some people can boil just, the heads, or sometimes the whole fish. So depending, on, the chefs and the restaurants. The broth, yeah, the broth.
Ya. Usar la cabeza, usar los huesos.
Can be, the head, can be just the bones, or sometimes can be the whole fish.
Ya, si tú tienes el frozen fish, ¿no? Para darle más sabor, normalmente se procede a hacer el fish stock.
Oh,
Es
okay.
importante, ¿no?
Sometimes you can have, a fish, especially coming from the coast or from a far place, so which is coming frozen. So because when have frozen fish, the taste will be different. So it's much better sometimes to use, the broth of this boiled, fish or bone or.
Okay. La preparación es breve, solo 4 o 5 minutos.
Okay, the time you keep, this fish, marinating can take just 4 minutes or 5 minutes, no more.
Es solo pescado marinado, no la tendencia es marinado. Fish
So the
marinated,
marinated, the marinated fish to have the special taste.
Special taste. Okay, now it's ready. We need boiled corn, no?
Okay, we have, corn or maize, boiled corn or maize.
Son sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes. Mostly sweet potatoes, boiled. So cook, under steam. You put on the ceviche.
Ceviche. Tenemos también para acompañarlo otro tipo de maíz, otro país.
We have also toasted maize. We have a type of maize that just we toast. Also can change. Sometimes some people in some places they fry a little, but some people just can toast.
Y finalmente tiene dos texturas.
Okay, the texture has two things because of the maize, no?
Sí,
Okay, because of the maize. The first one being boiled and the next one being toasted.
Tenemos cebollas cortadas en juliana fina.
Some onions.
Red onions.
Also, you can add onions depending on the taste of every person.
Okay. And garnish. Tenemos potato
Garlic.
Garnish. De adorno. Garnish.
Oh, pero ¿qué pasa eso?
Sweet potato.
Oh, sorry, there is more sweet potatoes. Es frito, ¿no?
Lo está pensando en garnish, ¿no?
Pero frito, ¿no?
Frito.
Fried, sweet potatoes. This is just to garnish, just to make nicer, the ceviche.
Esa es la forma terminada del ceviche.
Okay, that is the end. How the restaurant serves, ceviche. Got it.